20 of the best professional off-road racers and automotive celebrities from around the world came to sling dirt at the RZR RS1 race to help us celebrate the launch of this remarkable new vehicle.
Yeehaw! Game time.
We broke the group into 2 classes and put 10 of the most decorated X Games, rally, drift, and off-road racers in history head-to-head, while 11 of the fiercest UTV, desert, and short course racers that make up the RZR factory team went door-to-door. This incredible squad of action sports heroes, X Game medalists, and TV personalities battled through qualifying rounds and heat races for a chance to compete in the RZR RS1 race. The crew started the day by getting a quick rundown of the all-new Polaris RZR RS1, the quickest and most agile RZR made to date.
We're going to draft each other, okay? Down the straight.
Will you go first?
Okay.
On the partner side, it was RJ Anderson, Travis Pastrana, and Tanner Faust who qualified fastest in their group, but the racers took top honors for speed, with the young buck Ronnie Anderson qualifying fastest, followed by Mitch Guthrie Jr. and Brandon Sims.
That's nuts. That's the wildest thing. You think it's just gonna be a regular UTV, but it's not.
Ridiculous, dude. So cool. So much fun.
The single seat was so much better, I think, than the whoops. It didn't pitch down as much, but it also was just a lot smoother.
Oh my God.
And it's nice being able to see the front tires.
Yeah, totally. There's like way more front brakes in the 2-seater. You come to the corner and it like pushes more on you, where the other one you can like set it up with the back of the car.
The group split up into heat races next to determine who would compete in the semifinals and ultimately get a shot at the championship race.
Should have put a bumper on that thing, Travis.
Yeah, whatever, Renner. You gotta catch me before you can hit me. That first turn's gonna suck.
The semifinal races were full of action. For the partner battle, Pastrana lined up next to RJ Anderson, Tanner Faust, Levi LaValle, Ronnie Renner, and Bucky Lassick. They went wheel to wheel right off the start line, but it was Travis who took the whole shot on turn 1 and moved out front. RJ Anderson wasn't about to give up as he stayed on Pastrana's bumper for multiple laps. In the end, it was Travis, RJ, and Tanner who took first through third and moved into the final championship round.
No, because I got to beat him the next race, so I can't give him too much.
It's about to go down. We're gonna go out there and see what these things are all made of right now.
Over on the racers' side, the semifinal consisted of Ronnie Anderson, Mitch Guthrie Jr., Andrew Carlson, Brandon Sims, and Jason Merrill. The crew bashed their way through the start gate at full speed and in a hail of dirt. Anderson made it out front early. Mitch and Andrew kept pace and picked smooth, fast lines through the ERX track turns. Sims and Merrill fell off the mark as they approached the final 2 laps, and in the end it was Ronnie, Mitch, and Andrew who advanced to the final championship.
Honestly, I know all these guys so well that it's hard to pull for anybody. I would say the dark horse is Mitchie. RJ, you kind of expect it. Travis has won every heat he's been in, and Ronnie's just run away with the whole thing.
Once the green flag drops, it'll be pretty fun from there, but not often do you get to race with Travis or Tanner and even my brother RJ, so just looking to go and have some fun with these guys and just show them what this RS1 is made of.
It is impossible to talk crap on Ronnie because he is so nice. Having said that, I'm still gonna take him out in the first turn.
The stage was set for an all-out war between the partners and racers, and as the green flag dropped, the pack went full droop on the takeoff jump. Pastrana jumped out front on turn 1, and Ronnie Anderson threw it in hard. Travis went no hands over the giant step-up jump and kept the lead through lap 2. But on lap 3, Ronnie Anderson took the inside line, put a door on the motocross champ, and made the pass. Meanwhile, RJ Anderson and Tanner Faust kept pressure on the lead pack. RJ got past Travis and moved into second. The pack of off-road warriors continued to go toe-to-toe through every turn and jump. But Ronnie Anderson kept his foot on the gas and took the checkered flag, winning the RZR RS1 race. The top 3 finishers celebrated with dirt donuts and champagne as the race-inspired RZR RS1 was officially christened as the most agile RZR ever.